Cartrade Tech Q3 FY26 results, record revenue, 37% EBITDA margin or strong digital operating leverage. Cartrade Tech Limited reported its highest ever quarterly performance in Q3 FY26, with total income rising to 228.37 crore rupees, marking a strong 18% year-on-year growth. This milestone reflects sustained momentum across consumer platforms, remarketing operations and OLX India, supported by strong organic traffic and operating efficiency. The company's profitability surged during the quarter, with EBITDA rising 56% year-on-year to 78.25 crore rupees. EBITDA margins expanded sharply to an all-time high of 37%, highlighting significant operating leverage as revenue growth translated efficiently into profits. Profit before tax for Q3 FY26 stood at 77.99 crore rupees, registering a 46% year-on-year increase. Profit after tax rose 35% to 61.52 crore rupees, while PAT excluding the impact of the new labor code was higher at 68.03 crore rupees, reflecting a strong underlying growth of 49%. For the 9-month period ended December 2025, Cartrade Tech continued to deliver robust performance, with total income rising 24% year-on-year to 649.02 crore rupees. EBITDA for 9MFY26 grew 77% to 185.35 crore rupees, with margins improving to 32%, underscoring sustained operational scalability. Profitability over the 9-month period remained strong, with profit before tax increasing 87% to 214.83 crore rupees. Profit after tax rose 74% to 172.66 crore rupees, and excluding the impact of the new labor code, PAT stood at 179.17 crore rupees, reflecting an 81% year-on-year growth. Segment-wise, the consumer group delivered standout performance in Q3 FY26, with revenue growth of 27% year-on-year. EBITDA from this segment grew 55%, with margins reaching an impressive 43%, supported by strong traffic, high monetization efficiency and content leadership. The remarketing business continued its steady growth trajectory, with revenue rising 12% year-on-year and PAT growing 68%. EBITDA margins for the remarketing segment stood at a healthy 30%, supported by scale, strong auction volumes and disciplined cost structures. OLX India also delivered a strong quarter, with revenue growth of 18% and EBITDA growth of 70% year-on-year. EBITDA margins for OLX India improved to 37%, reflecting better operating leverage and continued traction across categories. Operationally, Cartrade Tech engaged approximately 85 million average monthly unique visitors during Q3 FY26, with nearly 95% of traffic being organic. This highlights the strength of the company's brand equity, platform relevance, and content-driven user engagement. The company's physical presence continued to expand, with operations across more than 500 locations including Shriram Automall, Carvale Absa, Signature Dealerships and OLX India franchise outlets. This extensive footprint enhances last-mile connectivity and strengthens the end-to-end digital-to-physical ecosystem. Cartrade Tech's flagship platforms including Carvale, Bikewale and OLX India each serve more than 150 million annual unique visitors, demonstrating the scale and depth of user engagement across its digital ecosystem. The remarketing business achieved an annualized run rate of 1.9 million auction listings, reaffirming the company's leadership position in the vehicle remarketing space and providing a strong base for future growth. Commenting on the performance, Mr. Vinay Sanghi, chairman and founder, stated that the company delivered a record quarter with its highest ever revenues of 228 crore rupee across all businesses. He highlighted that strong operating leverage drove significant margin expansion, with EBITDA margins reaching an all-time high of 37%. Management emphasized that the consistent performance across quarters reflects the strength of Cartrade Tech's diversified digital ecosystem. The company remains focused on investing in future technologies and platform capabilities to deepen user engagement and sustain long-term growth. Overall, Cartrade Tech's Q3 FY26 results highlight a structurally stronger business with scalable margins, diversified revenue streams and leadership across digital automotive marketplaces. With strong cash generation, rising profitability and high organic traffic, the company appears well positioned to compound earnings over the medium to long term. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.